Can you see that on the scope?
Yes, and I have it in the middle of this.
You got a cross over there in the scope and you can just shoot it. Just press the finger. A little bit too high,
Dad.
but it was fun. That was nice.
Okay, so I have to. Dad.
You have to pull it up. Pull it out. Put another one in. Because you're in a video now. You're going to be in YouTube.
Oh.
You want more?
One more is enough.
One more?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
There you go.
Dad.
Just like that.
So?
There you go.
Okay.
Just like that.
Put this wasp bullet in.
Okay, you're in the video too. He's going to put you in YouTube. Nice. That's a good one. You can pull it out and you still have one more.
Du musst nochmal machen. Das ist manuell, das
Yep.
Ding.
I don't speak German. I don't know what you're saying. I'm just joking.
You have to do it once again.
Yes.
Jesus.
Ganz nach hinten.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Good. There you go. Ah, he learning. He learning. You hit the bottle?
I hit it. So.
Yes.
Dad, I hit the bottle.
Yes. No bottle. You hit it. He got the bottle down. Nice job. Jag tror du är lite dåligt.
Fortsätt med allt, ja.
Yeah. Good job.
That's loud.
That's